Everyone, I am Shiven Tripathi, Research Scholar, Department of Physics, University of Lucknow. I am going to present my oral presentation on synthesis of graphene oxide using modified Hammer's method. Graphene is a one-atom thick planar sheet of sp2 bonded carbon atom that are densely packed in a honeycomb crystal lattice. The name graphene comes from graphite plus ene. Graphene, a wonder material, is the world's thinnest, strongest, and stiffest material, as well as being an excellent conductor of heat and electricity. It is the basic building block of other important allotropes. Graphene oxide is of great interest due to its low cost, easy access, and widespread ability to convert to graphene. Graphene oxide, like graphite oxide, is often described as an electrical insulator due to the disruption of its sp2 bonding network. In actuality, this is not entirely true. The ability for graphene oxide to conduct electron depend on the amount of oxidation in the compound as well as the method of synthesis. The aim is to study the structure and electrical properties of graphene oxide. Graphene oxide was obtained from graphite flakes by using modified Hammer's method, which is different from conventional Hammer's method. In this method, the experiment was synthesized with sodium nitrate NaNO3, potassium permanganate KMnO4, hydrogen peroxide H2O2, sulfuric acid H2SO4, hydrochloric acid HCl, and ice bath. Carried out at room temperature, some results shows that several square micron graphene oxides were obtained. Graphene oxide characterized using FTIR shows that the sample contains several functional groups such as hydroxyl, epoxy, carboxyl, and carbonyl. Now I move to method and materials. Graphene oxide consists of graphene sheets decorated mostly with epoxide and hydroxyl groups. Rapid heating of graphene oxide results in expansion and delamination due to evaporation of intercalated waters and evolution of gases from pyrolysis of the oxygen containing functional groups. The structure and properties of graphene oxide depend on the synthesis method and degree of oxidation. The most common method of synthesis is chemical method of synthesis by Hammer's method. This method of synthesis can be varied by varying the oxidizing agents used to exfoliate graphite flakes. Here we present two methods of synthesis techniques. One is by common method and other by modified method of synthesis, namely Hammer's and modified Hammer's method of synthesis. Chemical required: graphite flakes of 99% purity, sodium nitrate with 98% purity, potassium permanganate with 99% purity, hydrogen peroxide with 40% purity, sulfuric acid 98% purity, hydrochloric acid 35% purity. Hammer's method of synthesis. Graphene oxide was synthesized by Hammer's method through oxidation of graphite. The step-wise preparation is given as: we take graphite flakes 2 grams and NaNO3 2 grams were mixed in 50 ml of H2SO4 with 98% purity in a 1000 milliliter volumetric flask kept under at ice bath 0 to 5 degrees Celsius with continuous stirring. The mixture was stirred for 2 hours at this temperature and potassium permanganate 6 gram was added to the suspension very slowly. The rate of addition was carefully controlled to keep the reaction temperature lower than 15 degrees Celsius. The ice bath was then removed and the mixture was stirred at 35 degrees Celsius until it became pasty brownish and kept under stirring for 2 days. It is then diluted with slow addition of 100 ml water. The reaction temperature was rapidly increased to 98 degrees Celsius with effervescence and the color changed to brown color. Further, this solution was diluted by adding additional 200 ml of water stirred continuously. The solution is finally treated with 10 ml H2O2 to terminate the reaction by appearance of yellow color. For purification, the mixture was washed by rinse and centrifugation with 10% HCl and then deionized DI water several times. After filtration and drying under vacuum at room temperature, the graphene oxide was obtained in powder form. Now come to modified Hammer's method of synthesis. Modified Hammer's method is different from the conventional Hammer's method. In modified Hammer method, both oxidation and exfoliations occurs. Now we move to result and discussion. The synthesized graphene oxide by Hammer and modified Hammer's method are characterized by X-ray diffraction analysis, that is XRD, Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy FTIR, Raman spectroscopy, scanning electron microscopy, and FESM. XRD analysis, as you can see what I have done so far, the diagram, the figures of XRD are given below. The first figure shows the image of synthesized graphene oxide solution and powder. Figure 2 shows the intensity versus theta graph of XRD of graphene oxide by Hammer's method. Figure 3 shows the XRD of modified Hammer method. FTIR analysis, SEM analysis, FESM analysis, Raman spectrum analysis, and their respective figures are given below. The figure number 4 shows the FTIR spectrum of graphene oxide. Figure 5 shows the same image of graphite and graphene oxide. Figure 6 shows the FESM image of graphene oxide at magnification of 24,000 and 50,000. Figure number 7 shows the Raman spectrum at the D band 1339.22 nanometer and G band occurs at 1567.04 nanometer respectively. From this I concluded my presentation. The graphene oxide, the synthesized by Hammer's and modified Hammer method in this work show the simple and convenient method of synthesis. This work confirms the existence of oxygen functional groups by XRD and presence of C single bond O and C double bond C by FTIR analysis. Also, the exfoliation of graphene sheet is confirmed by SEM image. Thus, the synthesized graphene oxide show many interesting and unique properties that can be applied in variety of applications. Thank you.